Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a video on my new pocket knife that I just got. This is it, it's right here. This is it. It's Trail Creek. I got it a few days ago. Got a pair of pliers, a file, double-sided, plus flathead screwdriver. I also got a little saw right here. You see that? Yeah. Got a saw. I also got a mini flathead. Let me check it out. My mini flathead. Oh, I got needle nose pliers plus wire cutters. Oh yeah. Bottle opener / can opener. I also got a rope cutter, a knife. I also got another bottle opener with flathead. I don't know if you could use this for can opening. I also got a Phillips screwdriver. And I think that's about everything. See you guys in the next one.